Yo, what's up, MCG family? This is Calvin with the MuscleCarGang. I hope you guys are having a great day, heading into a great weekend. Hope you guys got some good things planned coming up. So today, I had to step in and check on Red Queen. I got some things that I need to be adding to her to get her run a lot better than that she has. So I had to step in and check on her. So let's check it out. Ran into a couple of problems. Let's check it out, guys. All right, first thing I noticed is I have a big power steering pump leak right under the car. So it's pretty big because I haven't driven her in about over a week. So yeah, this is crazy. So it's been sitting up for about a week and I can tell where it's coming from. So now I have to get this fixed. I have a car show coming up this week, so yeah. So when I checked on it, it looks like it's coming from this bolt right here. So yeah, I think this bolt needs to be tightened up. Yeah, so we got a power steering pump leak. So now I have to work on getting that fixed. And I have the Holley EFI system coming in. Go ahead and replace this carburetor. It's been giving me problem. So I think I still have trash in the line that I have to work on getting it out. So I just go ahead and decide to go ahead and just remove the whole carburetor and put a Holley EF system on here, replacing the gas tank throughout the back. So yeah, so hopefully that gives the car a better drive, be able to tune it better, because this has been giving me problem with this carburetor setup. But I got some things to work on for next 2 weeks. So this will allow, probably the Holley EF system will hold me over until I get the new LS swap. But for now, this has been a completely rebuilt 454. It has about 400 and maybe 450 miles on it now. So I'm still working on breaking it in, taking it easy. But this pretty much seems to be the only issue right now is the carburetor, and shit, just found out about this damn power steering pump. So yeah, it was full. Now it's bone dry. Everything is leaked out. So I'll work on go ahead and getting this tightened up, getting this fixed. So probably that'll be my only mission for her this week, and be wearing this for probably a couple more, probably a month or so before I put the new fuel system on there. But everything else seems to be running well. She seems to be running strong as this setup. So take a look in the inside. Bucket seats, front to back. SS console. Got my trusted baby down there. Never know what might happen. Let's see if she turns over. Turns over. Yeah, I can hear that power steering pump now. So yeah, it runs real strong. So guys, that seems about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop me a like, hit that subscribe button for more videos on Red Queen coming soon as she go through her LS swap phase. Love to hear from you guys. Drop me a comment below, and we'll talk soon.